Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to set up fingerprint in your Realme C51. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this Realme C51 and you are wondering how to set up fingerprint. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your Realme C51 settings section. After click over there, you scroll down and then you need to click here security. After click over security, you need to click here face and fingerprint unlock. And then if your device doesn't have pattern, pin or password, it will give you option to first of all set that, and then you can easily set up fingerprint. For example, I would like to pattern and then I'm going to draw my pattern and I'm going to click here next. Obviously you need to remember the pattern. I'm going to do the same pattern again and then I'm going to click here confirm. Now if you decide to, this is the lock screen setup, you can easily set up any additional setup and you can make it here done. Now if you decide to set up fingerprint, you need to click here fingerprint and then you need to scroll down and then you need to click here I agree. And now we all know this in Realme C51, this is the fingerprint scanner, so you have to touch your finger. So I'm going to touch my this finger and you need to just touch each in your phone and just move slightly. Try to touch in your finger with this place and slightly try to move your finger, and this device is going to be recognizing your face. It's taking some time to recognize your finger. Now you can see it has successfully set up fingerprint. So now if I click here done and if I go close all this and then if I try to unlock, so I'm going to use my registered fingerprint. So when I'm touch with my registered fingerprint, it's going to be unlocked and it could take me my home screen, which is quite interesting. Also you can unlock your device by alternate way that we had said the pattern. For example, if now you can also unlock your device with pattern. So within this simple way you can easily set up fingerprint in your Realme C51. Now you might be want to delete your previous registered fingerprint and you want to set new fingerprint. So for that you need to click in your Realme C51 settings section, scroll down and then you need to click here security and click here face and fingerprint unlock and you need to draw your current pattern. And then if you decide to delete your previous fingerprint, you need to click here fingerprint and then you can easily delete your fingerprint. And if you decide to register a new fingerprint, you can simply click here plus add fingerprint and you can easily touch with your new registered finger the finger you want. So within this simple way you can easily set up fingerprint in your Realme C51. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.